Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by setting a reliable baseline. Stand hip-width with knees soft so joints can align. Engage your core gently. This stabilizes the spine and reduces strain. Then imagine a string lifting your sternum 1 to 2 centimeters. Once done, draw your shoulders back and down so shoulder blades sit flat against the rib cage. Make sure your thumbs point toward your thighs. This immediate alignment creates the scaffold you'll use for every movement that follows, preventing compensatory patterns. Now you build durable posture through targeted actions. Start scapular squeezes, 3 sets of 10 with 2 to 3 second holds to reinforce upper back control. Once comfortable, integrate 30 to 60 second plank variations, side planks and forearm planks, to train the core that supports your spine. Make sure hips stay neutral, not sagging. Transition into hip hinges, 10 controlled reps, which teach you to bend at the hips instead of the lower back. These combined patterns translate static alignment into safe, functional movement. Finish by making posture maintenance habitual. Set 45 to 60-minute reminders and spend 30 to 60 seconds resetting your alignment, breathing deeply as you re-engage core and scapulae. If you feel pain, stop, reduce your movement range, breathe more slowly, and reassess alignment. Pain often signals either overload or poor mechanics. Make sure to track weekly progress and gradually increase hold times by 10 to 20%. This gradual load prevents flare-ups and cements long-term improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.